Hello children, this is me Ziaul and you are watching Hasnat Studio, and today we are gonna make a bird step by step. You can learn easily. Firstly, we are making a circle, and second we are gonna draw a oval shape. This is very easy to you for making, and this is only shape by bird drawing. And next we can only draw one more oval shape, but there is a cone. You can make easily like and next one, this is the triangle, like triangle. Now your shape are ready. Next step is, and second one, feather of the bird, and that is the back side of the bird. Now I am going to highlight it with the sketch pen. You can use your black pen, black sketch pen, and any other of sketch pen. Now I am doing outlining. You can do outlining after the crayon color and what color you are using. You can see here how I am doing and how I am finishing it. This is the design of their feather. You can do design as your choice. This is very easy for you children. You can make easily with the fun. You can play with the color also. You can use multicolor too. And now our bird is ready. Children, this type of drawings you can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching.